In front of me I have Huawei Y5 2019, and I'm gonna show you how to enable developer options on this device. First, we need to open the settings. To do that, let's just tap on this icon right here. Now let's scroll all the way down and tap on the system. Here let's tap on About Phone. And now we need to find the build number and start tapping on it a few times. And when the message "You are now developer" shows up on the screen, we can go back. And right here we have developer options. Let's tap on it. And here we have a list of developer options we can turn on. For example, USB debugging. To turn it on, we just tap this slider right here. And then tap OK. And when you want to restore the settings to default settings, we just can tap Restore Default Settings. And then tap OK to confirm. And that should be all. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.